Good morning, Clarkson Commercials out here on a dreich Saturday morning. Happy to say we've got another lovely van to show you around, and in the next couple of minutes, no more than that, I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. It's a September 2011 on a 61 plate Ford Transit T220 Connect short wheelbase, 32,000 miles with one owner from new. It's got a full service history, and it really does typify everything that a used van should be. We are great fans of originality in vans, and this van came in here just yesterday and needed nothing more than a light valet, no bodywork damage, as fresh as any used van could ever be. Lots of very handy accessories that make this ideally suited for a tradesman. First of all, we've got this ingenious slide out racking system. You need to buy some of the poly trays that hook on there, but for fittings, couplings, you've got this set up here with the flip forward plastic trays there. These trays you hang on there are available on the likes of eBay for about 10 bob a ton, so they're very cheap. This slides in and out of the van, and I'll pause a second and demonstrate that to you. And there it is in the in position, if you like. I have already released the catch at the top. Fingertip pull, out it comes, it will click shut in a second, and there you are. You can work from the back of your van. That is a extremely handy, not to mention very rare piece of kit. On the back we've got the tow bar there, so if you've got a wee trailer for taking stuff to the tip or the dump when you're out on the job. And again, in here, that is the original plywood in the back. That's how the van came into us, and we don't sell bad vans, hopefully by now you know that, but this one is absolutely, without a shadow of a doubt, right up there with the best of them. It really is. Every once in a while we get something a bit special in terms of originality, and this one has been looked after, certainly with kid gloves. Roof rack up top with a roller in the back, 3 bars running down the length of the roof. You may have noticed already, we've got a load through facility here. We've got the mesh bulkhead, passenger seat folds forward, pushes down. The load, the mesh bulkhead splits and hinges, and really you've got from the front passenger footwell right through to the back of the van. So I don't have a tape measure, but it certainly gives you a good 8 feet anyway, I would imagine. And I'll just fold that up and show you in the up position. Right, and within a couple of seconds the passenger seat is back in its proper position, and you've got obviously 2 fully fledged driver's seats, and there is the bulkhead in the closed position. It offers great security as well from the back of the vehicle, from you know, undesirables. And once again, extremely clean, extremely fresh. We do not do the heavy sell. We'll sell you a damn good van, inform you about it, tell you all about its past, offer you a good finance package on it. And so what I'm telling you here is not sales patter. We don't do sales patter. What I'm trying to get across is the originality and freshness of this van. And as I say, it came in here 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon. It's now 20 past 10 the following morning, and here it is ready for sale. Admittedly, it's still to go through our own workshops, and the workshop, the check procedure will take place next week. But it's a one owner vehicle, 32,000 miles with a full service history, and an absolute cracker. Really is. So there we go. I don't mean to labour the point. Hopefully by now you're getting the gist of it and you're finding the video of interest. I don't mean to keep you too long. Round over the bonnet. No chips of any note in the bonnet, certainly no dents or scuffs around it, and really close to, well, I can't see why it can't be described as factory fresh condition, to be honest. Cabin round here at the helm, driver's seat clearly, 5-speed gearbox, parrot system, CD radio, it's got an onboard driver computer as well. And there we go. To recap, a late 2011 on the 61 plate, Ford Transit T220 Connect. It is the bigger 90 horsepower model, not the 75. One owner, 32,000 miles, as I've said before. That ingenious racking system in the back, roof rack up top, tow bar down bottom, side loading door, which is an option, the load through facility, which is an option, the parrot system, and there we go. Just before I finish, I'll say the usual disclaimer that I do on every van. Everything that we sell is second hand. Everything that we sell has had a first life before it comes to us and may have marks or imperfections commensurate with age, mileage and use. My name is Barry, time for a coffee, thanks for watching and hope to speak to you soon.